Take 17.
All right.
You too, man.
Let's get it to man. Baby's usually born from male and female. The male must ejaculate his sperm into the woman's vagina.
Unprotected sex.
Yep. Sperm would have to meet an egg inside the woman's vagina, in which will accumulate into a baby being born. The baby usually sits in the mother's womb for approximately 9 months, has a fun time in there, and then pops out and becomes a human. The parents usually decide how the kid will be. If the parents are smart, the kid will likely be smart. If they're athletic, the kid will likely be athletic.
It's genetics.
Yep. And so also if the family's history has a history of autism, then the kid has a better chance of getting autism than other children. Also, for athletics, Michael Jordan, LeBron James, I don't know if you know them, but you might. They were likely athletically gifted from the start from their parents. And they were likely athletically gifted. But they also worked hard, especially Michael Jordan, because he wasn't as good as LeBron James, and probably won't be. LeBron's better. And their kids are also very athletic. Michael Jordan's kids are Division I athletes, and LeBron James' kids are a little younger. They're about 7 years old and 9 years old, and but they're already offered Division I scholarships because they know all the coaches know how good LeBron James is, so they want to know how good his kids will be. We're on to Jamaicans, how fast they are. In the Olympics, they broke the records for the relay teams, the boys and girls, and also won the gold medal for both of them. On that relay team was Usain Bolt. He's the fastest man in the world. He's from Jamaica, obviously. He's Jamaican. And, yeah. Then
It's fast.
we're on to East Africa. Ethiopians, Somalians, and such. They usually, generally speaking, they can run for a longer distance and they have more endurance and stamina. That's why you may see them usually winning all the marathons and whatnot. And we're on to Taylor Thunstead. She's really
D1.
good.
Going pro.
She has
She's amazing at girls basketball. She can't dunk though.
20 Division I letters as a sophomore. She's really good.
Saw 'em all.
A lot of them, or her athletic ability probably came from her parents, but she could have worked hard too, with that basketball court.
In the backyard.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's really good. And to wrap up our genetics talk here, we decided to
write you a song.
Yes, we want to write you a song.
Don't judge us.
To help you understand about genetics, because just don't judge, because we only
It's
wrote
not
it
that good.
in 5 minutes. But here we go.
Gregor Mendel was born in 1822. He's the father of genetics. He solved the science mystery, and he figured out the basic laws of heredity. His parents could not send him to a university, so he became a monk. He wanted to get a degree. He noticed that some plants he grew that came from the same seeds were different from the parent plants, and he thought that shouldn't be. Gregor Mendel, he began an experiment. He crossbred 2 tall pea plants and studied their offspring. 3 turned out tall, but 1 was small. It was the strangest thing. He crossbred 2 small plants and studied their offspring. Every one was small. He thought each trait must have 2 genes. 2 tall genes make all plants. 2 small genes, all plants small. But one tall gene plus one small gene, all the plants will all be tall. Gregor Mendel was born in 1822. He's the father of genetics. He solved the science mystery. He figured out the basic laws of heredity. And Mendel says, tall must be a dominant gene. It only takes one for the trait to be seen. Small must be the recessive gene. Unless both genes are small, the pea plants will be tall.
All right, there we go. Took us a while, but thank you for your time. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye, Miss Schultz.